What if I told you you could start earning $100 a day without having your own product, or without having to show your face, or without being an expert? If it sounds you, then in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how beginners are using affiliate marketing to earn passive income daily and how you can do the same starting today. Hey there, it's Manogar, and I have been deep in the affiliate marketing game for the last couple of years now. And in this training series, which is going to be one of the longest and one of the most detailed training I have ever dropped on YouTube, I'm not just going to tell you how to start affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you step by step how to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. Now, here's a crazy part. Now, the most so-called gurus are just selling this as a $500 to $1,000 course, and I'm just giving it away completely free on YouTube. Since you're not paying any money to watch the tutorial, you might think this is not good enough, but it's better to buy a $1,000 course out there. Well, this, in my opinion, is better than a $1,000 course, and I'm giving away all the knowledge on how to start affiliate marketing business from scratch. And it's up to you to take action on it. But here's the real deal. If you're not going to watch this entire tutorial series, you're probably going to miss the exact strategy which is going to finally make affiliate marketing click for you. And if you don't hit the subscribe button below, you will miss all the follow-up videos where I go even deeper on building funnels, the email autoresponders, the traffic strategies, the landing pages, everything. Now, let's talk about why affiliate marketing is the best online business model for beginners, especially if you don't have time, money, or experience. First of all, affiliate marketing doesn't require you to create your own product, and you don't need to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service, or even refunds. All you need to do is that you need to have a proven product to promote, and whenever you promote using your own affiliate link, which is the unique link, you get paid. And it's simple as that. Now, here's the part most people miss. Affiliate marketing can become truly powerful if you combine it with email marketing. Now, once you start building your email list, your affiliate business can truly turn into a passive income machine. Why? Because instead of constantly creating content or chasing new followers, instead, you have a direct line of access to people already trust you, and you can send them helpful emails, and you can send them promotional emails, and boom, you make commissions even while you sleep. Let me be 100% real with you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. What you see on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, they show you all the flashy results of 10K a day overnight. That's not the full picture. What they don't show you is the real learning, failing, testing, and then rebuilding. And that's what it all takes to build a real long-term business. And there is a famous quote I love by Tom Hanks, the Hollywood actor, where it sums up perfectly. If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it. It's the hard that makes it great. And that's the truth. If it was easy, everybody on this planet would be doing it and everyone would be already rich. So don't get obsessed with the end goal. Like, how long will it take for me to make $100 a day? Instead, fall in love with the process and the systems that is going to get you there. And now let's talk about the most important thing that most beginners would not want to hear. And that's money. Yes, you need to invest money, like any real business. Now think of like starting a McDonald's franchise where you need thousands of dollars upfront, and even a local food truck would cost you more than most people spend in affiliate marketing business in a year. Please don't buy into this make thousands of dollars for free hype floating around the social media. Affiliate marketing is one of the lowest cost and highest return online business models. And you will need to invest in the tools required to run this business, like the funnel builder, the domain, and your email autoresponders, and tracking softwares, and warming up tools. Yeah, that all costs you money upfront and to run the business. Affiliate marketing is simple but not easy. It requires your consistent effort. But if you stick with it for the long term, and if you're putting in consistent efforts, and if you're trying to learn and implement consistently, then it's going to reward you in the long term. Alright, now we have set the foundation. Let's talk about what you're really in for this masterclass, because this is just not a watch and fuck it type of tutorial. but this is going to be a full-blown, no fluff, step-by-step blueprint that we are going to see how to build a real affiliate marketing business right from scratch. Now, if you're serious about affiliate marketing, now let me show you exactly what I'm going to show you step by step in this entire affiliate marketing business. And trust me, every single step in this tutorial matters. So this is going to be our affiliate marketing blueprint. And first, we are going to see the holistic process flow, and we are going to see all the moving parts that is going to build our affiliate marketing business. And from there, we will go on to see what are the tools that is going to move the needle for our affiliate marketing business. And from there, we are going to see the top 5 affiliate platforms where you need to sign up and which one you need to really have a look on. And then we are going to see the most important part of this entire affiliate marketing business, which is traffic. And without this, your business is not going to survive. And I'm going to especially concentrate on solo ads. And if you're not sure what a solo ad is, then you can always watch out the video on the top right of your screen. Next, we are going to see how to buy the right domain and from which place you have to buy your domain and set up your email address. And then we have also the most important part, which is email warming up and which tool you need to use to warm up your email address before start sending your emails. And then you have your funnel builder software, and it's not going to be a techie one, and it's going to be simple, and even your grandmother can easily understand by dragging and dropping and creating your own landing pages. And also you will see how to create your opt-in and bridge pages, and then choosing your autoresponder. Now the next important thing after traffic is going to be choosing your autoresponder, because you have to know which is the autoresponder that is affiliate marketing friendly and which are the ones that are going to ban affiliate marketers. So you have to be very careful over this step. And then you have the technical setup of your email autoresponders. Then I will show you how to create your email automations and email broadcast, and where your email automations is going to nurture your leads and prime them up for your future sales. Next, you have third most important component, which is the tracking software. Now this software is going to be the central command system, just like your brain, which is going to command everything in your body. This software is going to command everything and is going to give you clear signals and data to take informed decisions. And finally, we will see how to integrate all the tools that are out there, the funnel builders, the autoresponders, the tracking softwares, affiliate marketplaces, and so on. And then we will see where to get your email swipes, because we need to know what kind of email swipes will convert for solo ads traffic and where to get them and how to customize them for each of your campaigns. And you also have the email deliverability hacks, because ultimately, if you are not able to get your email deliverability right, you're going to lose money. And finally, we will see where to get your solo ad traffic, choosing the right vendor. And I will also show you one secret traffic. Last is going to be how to analyze the results after setting up the entire system. We have to analyze the results and where to improve the funnel and how to rinse and repeat the steps again and again to scale your business. So if you're really serious about affiliate marketing, then please take notes and take action. And most importantly, please watch every part of this entire series, because every step builds on to the next, and by the end of it, you will have a full-blown system that is going to print you money even while you see. Alright, you have made it this far and you're already ahead of 90% of people who say they want to make money, but they don't just want to stick around to learn how to do it. Now, everything that I've covered today is just the foundation, and in the next video, I'm going to deep dive into the entire holistic process flow of our affiliate marketing business, and then I will show all the moving parts that are going to fit together. And trust me, once you see this entire process flow, you will finally begin to realize that what you have been missing in your affiliate marketing business. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and so that you don't miss any part of this entire tutorial series, and get ready, because this is where the things start getting real. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.